Today's really a crowning extension to what we've been doing for the last 24 years. My name's Jacob Fall, I'm the co-founder of Nature Baby, and we look at our stores as these houses in the community. Community activations like Kaimana Gardens, similarly for the Love of Bees, inspiring us to take care of the little things that has a massive effect on the whole of our ecological system that supports our world. And so we're very much about supporting the little things that make a really big difference and shining a light on that. We're powering through solar panels. We've got solar panels going on the roof, thanks to Lightforce. Energy generation is one of the biggest and most important aspects of moving towards a more sustainable world. So if we can offer a model in our store of being powered by solar, it just brings through that message in the strongest way.
I'm Shona, I'm from For the Love of Bees. We're a not-for-profit that teaches and models an amazing regenerative organic growing method. For communities, it means they can have access to really healthy food, they can learn how to grow that themselves, they can volunteer in their farm and get all the benefits, physical and mental well-being from being with other people, other locals, and being on this amazing farm where the vegetables are just going crazy.
Kaimana Gardens is a garden just around the corner from here. It's been there for 42 years. It's a large site, 1.7 hectares. We grow everything that sort of suits our climate, so a large range of vegetables. We have a lot of flowers, some of which you'll see for sale here today. A lot of herbs, all the fruits you can think of that work in Auckland. And we have chickens and sheep. So, you know, we have a similar mindset of sort of trying to live sustainably here on the planet. And, you know, Nature Baby's here doing their thing, we're down the road doing our thing. And we're kind of live in separate worlds, so it's nice when we have the occasions to sort of come together and do stuff together because we're in the same community and we have the same ethos.
I see it as very much it's a collective, working across businesses that have a holistic approach to give models of hope to create change in the world that's going to make it better is what it's all about. And so on this day, when working with Lightforce and working with urban community gardens and practitioners, it's just brought it all together.